Okay, so this time we're working on a 2018 Peterbilt 389. How you guys can see, we already did the rear deck plate. The guys are about to finish removing the film. We did 5 lights on the back, and then we got 2 lights on the inside. So pretty much it's gonna have a glow inside the chassis at night. So pretty much in the interior, what we did black leather. We went with double stitching, red buttons, and all the plastics on the cabinets, we paint them on red. We also did all the watermelon lights in the interior. Back in the sleeper, we did white lighting, and then in the front for the dome lights, we did everything on red. So we also did this custom panel. How you guys can see is a long panel that is says Peterbilt and it lights up. That is gonna be going on the roof. On the cab, we went with full door panels. We put a watermelon right here, so pretty much when they open the door, this is gonna light up. Floors, we did just red floors. We throw some red flakes in it, so as soon as the light hits the floor, it's gonna look cool. What we end up doing on the dash was, he wanted something classic on this truck, so pretty much what we end up doing, we did this hydro dipping on all the plastics on the trim on the dash that it looks like wood. So all the trims on this truck, they're gonna have this finish on the wood looking. We did so much stuff on this truck that I don't even remember what we did. Over the dash, what we did, the plastics, he didn't want them painted. So what we did, we ended up putting leather on top of the plastics. We added 4 watermelon lights and 1 white on the middle for the reading light. So pretty much when they open the doors, these they're gonna light up and they say 389 right there. Around the pedals, we did this trim that we offer on the website. So pretty much now the dirt doesn't get inside the pedals. We also did the seats. For the seats, we went with a double stitching diamond, black leather. Also, this truck, he wanted a visor. He just came with an OEM visor. So what we did that visor. That's a 12-inch visor, how you guys can see. We also have available on the website. I like the visor, how it came out. So right now, we're just waiting for the owner to come and pick this up. We're about to finish with the cleaning.